Hi, I'm Bill. Welcome to my farm. This week we're going to talk about the real story of farming, about how we practice responsible, ethical agriculture for life. Okay, on this farm we grow corn, soybeans, occasionally a little wheat and alfalfa. This farm has been in my family since the 1850s, and I've been farming since 1985. Modern practices and good research have helped me improve my farming practices in my 28-year career. This week we're going to talk about nutrient management, buffer strips, and the approaching harvest.